Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Tanvi. So today's video is gonna be about my expectations and my marks of our first exams. So let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you which stream I chose. So I am a commerce with math student. You might have known that a math is divided into applied and core, so I chose core math. So first, let's get started with math. So we had the first two chapters and one exercise of the third chapter, which included sets, relations and functions, and trigonometry. So I really made many stupid mistakes which I could have easily avoided, and my expectation was I would get 40 out of 50, but my result was that I got 41 over 50. Next up, we have accounts. So we had around six chapters, which each chapter was very lengthy and hard to complete. We had basic accounting terms, introduction to accounting, the rules of debit and credit, and many more chapters, which took a lot of time for me to complete them. And the paper was also very tough, to be honest. And my expectation was around 38, sorry, 48 for 50, and the actual one I got is 45, which was kind of disappointing because I lost all of my marks in my MCQs, which was mind blowing because those are kind of easy, to be honest. And I don't have the proof with me currently, so I will be posting them once I get the papers. Next up, we have English. So we had three chapters: the Summer of a Beautiful the Horse, a photograph, and the portrait of my grandmother. And to be honest, the portion was kind of less. In my previous school, we used to have around 7 to 8 lessons for PT1. So anyway, I did not study for that at all, and I was like the last day of the exam. I just opened my books and went through the lessons. That's it. And my score was 44 out of 50. I was expecting around 40, so it was a good score according to me, and I seriously did not expect it because the literature based questions were a bit tough and I thought I would be definitely losing marks. Luckily, I did not lose many, so I was able to get a good score. So, next up, we have BST, which stands for Business Studies. In this, we had one full chapter and another half. So we had business, trade and commerce and forms of business organization. And in the second chapter, we had only sole proprietorship and partnership form of business. So I did practice a lot for this exam, and the paper was also very easy. And I was expecting around 49 out of 50 because I made the stupidest mistake of my life, which I could have easily avoided. So I did not read the options properly and I just ticked the one off, and I could have avoided it by reading them actually. And anyway, my score dropped down to 35. I'm not sure why I lost that many marks. I lost all the 4 marks in my subjective answers and 1 mark in my MCQ, which was totally disappointing because I was expecting 39 the whole time. So next up we have economics. So we had 4 chapters for this, and in one of it was way too lengthy and took a whole day for me to finish it. So we had introduction to microeconomics, statistics as an introduction, meaning, scope, and importance of economics, and collection of data. In which collection of data was one of the tedious and hardest chapters, to be honest. So, as you might have known, I got 2 days for my economics exam. and I studied from top to bottom of the textbook. And I had no hopes for this, and I was expecting around 40 or 45 for 50 marks. And surprisingly, I got a 48, which was very shocking because I did not expect that I would get this much at all. And I was very happy at those marks because I never expected it or doing anything. So, yeah. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and do like, share, and subscribe.